Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Sam at the Virginia Museum of History and Culture. Today we're talking about games from the past. A really fun one to do at home is making paper dolls. Paper dolls, you can see some examples right here, have been around for a very, very long time, but they became most popular during the 1930s and 1950s, especially during the Great Depression and World War II. And do you have any idea of why paper dolls might become popular during the Depression and World War II? Well, those were both times when people did not have a lot of supplies. The government was rationing things, people did not have a lot of money, and so paper was an easy and cheap way to still play with dolls, because a lot of times cloth was not available. So you can see here, these are actual paper dolls and paper outfits from the 1930s. And this is a more modern version. So how can you make your own? Well, it's very simple. You can either go to the internet and get a template, just like the one you see here. You can draw your own template. There are even templates that already have clothes on them. But if you decide to go with one that doesn't have any clothes, you can make your own outfits for your dolls. So you can either get some felt, and you can see here we have a little felt dress, or you can make a felt skirt. This one is a felt top. You can get some bows that you can put on your paper dolls. So anything that you can think of is a good idea. Get some stickers, get some buttons, put them all over your clothes, dress up your dolls any way you want. They can be boy dolls, they can be girl dolls, they can be any dolls that you can think of. So this is a really fun game that you can do in a lot of different ways right in your own home. And then maybe you can have them play in a dollhouse just like this. Well, maybe not this one, but use your imagination. The world is your dollhouse. Bye-bye.